Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Please, if this is your first time of watching my video, please kindly subscribe, like and share. So I was craving Chicken Republic chicken pie, so I went into my kitchen. So everything I'm using for my chicken pie, I have my flour, my spices, milk, carrot, diced carrot, onion, Irish potato and chicken. Into it, I've already seasoned my chicken. I seasoned it with my curry, nutmeg, seasoning cube, salt, and also heat up my oil, and I added my chopped onions. My oil was already very hot, so yeah. So after the onions, I added my chicken. So I stir very well. Just stir it very well. Stir very well. So this is the outcome after stirring. You leave for some minutes. So this is the outcome. I added my chopped potato, Irish potato, then my carrots. Added a little bit of water. So after putting water, this is how it is. You can add water if it's not enough. So I added my thickener, one teaspoon of flour and water to make it thick. It's looking so nice. Keep this aside. Let's make the dough for the chicken pie. This is my flour and my baking powder with my butter. So I'm just going to mix it very well to get a dough. Mix it very well. Then add your liquid milk, 1 cup preferably. I prefer using milk than water. So I'll mix very well to get my dough. Then I added my salt to it. So just one teaspoon. So after mixing, this is my dough. I'll cover for at least 10 minutes. I'll cover it for at least 10 minutes. So after covering it, this is how it is. It became very smooth and a little bit fluffy. So I'll just cut into small pieces, yes, to roll out for the chicken pie. I'll cut into smaller pieces. Okay. So this is how my chicken pie looks like.